Hey there, fellow chicken enthusiasts. Welcome back to Green Profit Cultivate, your go-to channel for all things chickens. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: chicken breeds to keep. Whether you're just starting your backyard flock or looking to add new members, this video will give you the lowdown on the best chicken breeds to raise. Let's get started. Now, before we get into the individual breeds, it's important to ask yourself one question: what are you raising chickens for? Is it for the fresh eggs, their friendly personalities, or maybe meat? Maybe you just want some chickens to keep your garden pest-free and provide you with endless entertainment. Understanding your goal will help you pick the right breed. First up, let's talk about egg layers, shall we? You want a reliable source of fresh eggs? Great! Meet the Leghorn. These beauties are the rock stars of egg production. A single Leghorn can lay up to 300 eggs a year. That's almost an egg a day. They're known for their white feathers and large combs. Plus, they're super low maintenance. Perfect for beginners. But here's the catch: Leghorns are not the friendliest chickens. They're a little standoffish and love to roam. If you're looking for a chicken to hang out with you, you might want to consider another breed. Leghorns are best for people who prioritize eggs over cuddles. Now, if you want a chicken that will not only give you plenty of eggs but also be your backyard buddy, you've got to meet the Rhode Island Red. These gals are the total package. They're fantastic egg layers, producing around 250 eggs a year, and they have great personalities. Rhode Island Reds are hardy, meaning they can handle different climates, and they're friendly enough to hang out with the whole family. And let me tell you something, these chickens are tough. They're pretty resilient when it comes to illnesses and can handle various weather conditions. If you're in a place with unpredictable seasons, Rhode Island Reds are a solid choice. Speaking of friendly chickens, let's talk about the Orpington. If you're looking for a fluffy, affectionate chicken that loves people, Orpingtons are your breed. They're like the teddy bears of the chicken world. You'll usually find them in a gorgeous golden buff color, but they come in other colors too. And don't be fooled by their soft appearance, they're excellent layers too. They produce about 200 eggs a year. Plus, they make fantastic mothers, so if you're planning on hatching your own chicks, Orpingtons will help you out there. If you have kids and want them to experience the joy of raising chickens, Orpingtons are perfect for the job. Alright, now let's talk about a breed that's not just a great egg layer but also brings a bit of unique flair to your backyard: the Amarocana. These chickens are best known for their beautiful blue eggs. Yes, you heard that right, blue eggs. Amarocanas are hardy and easy to care for. They're great for people who want both form and function. Their unique looks and fun egg colors will make your egg basket Instagram-worthy. And while they're not the most prolific egg layers, averaging around 180 eggs a year, the eggs they do give you are a fun addition to any kitchen. For those of you looking for a dual-purpose breed, one that provides both eggs and meat, the Sussex is a fantastic option. They're super friendly and great with kids. Plus, they lay around 250 eggs a year and are also heavy enough to be a good source of meat. And here's a fun fact about Sussex chickens: they're curious. These birds love to explore and forage. If you like free-range chickens that will help control the insect population in your yard, the Sussex will be a good fit. Now, if you're all about the looks, you've probably heard of the Silkie. These little fluffballs are more like pets than production chickens. Silkies have a unique appearance, with soft, furry feathers that make them look like they came straight out of a fairy tale. They're not the best egg layers, but they make up for it with their personality. Silkies are incredibly friendly and are perfect if you want a cuddly chicken. They're small, gentle, and love attention. They're also known for being good brooders, so if you want to hatch some chicks, these guys are great to have around. For those of you who live in colder climates, the Plymouth Rock is a breed you should definitely consider. These chickens are hardy in the cold, reliable egg layers, and great with families. They lay around 200 eggs a year and have a striking black and white striped appearance that will make your flock stand out. Plymouth Rocks are also easy to manage, so if you're a beginner or want a low-maintenance breed, they're perfect. You can't go wrong with a breed that's known for being friendly, reliable, and beautiful all at once. If you're looking for chickens that are more on the quirky side, consider the Polish breed. These chickens are famous for their big, fluffy crests of feathers on their heads, making them look like they're wearing fancy hats. They're not the best layers, but they're definitely a conversation starter. Polish chickens are friendly, but they can be a little jumpy due to their limited vision. Those feather hats sometimes block their sight, making them more prone to surprises. Still, they add a lot of character to your flock, and you'll love having them around just for the laughs. And last but certainly not least, we have the Australorp. This breed is another superstar when it comes to egg production. They can lay up to 300 eggs a year, just like the Leghorn, but they're way more friendly. If you're looking for a balance between great egg-laying abilities and a calm temperament, Australorps are the way to go. These black-feathered beauties are also very adaptable to different climates. Whether you live in a hot or cold environment, Australorps will thrive. And their shiny black feathers make them stand out in any flock. Alright, so there you have it. From egg-laying machines like the Leghorn and Australorp to family-friendly breeds like the Orpington and Rhode Island Red, there's a chicken for every kind of backyard farmer. Remember, the key to picking the right breed is to consider what you want from your flock, whether it's eggs, meat, friendly companions, or even just chickens that look good in your yard. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more chicken farming tips. Also, let us know in the comments which breed you're excited to raise next. Happy chicken keeping, everyone!